guys, it's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette dupe. You guys seem to have really liked my rose gold palette dupe video, so I thought I would do the Desert Dusk Palette dupe. And instead of having one palette dupe, I'm going to be having two. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be doing swatches for you guys with the Desert Dusk palette, the original one first. Okay, so this is all of the colors of the original Desert Dusk palette. I will be doing comparisons for all of the colors next to each other after I show you guys all of the palettes and how they swatch. Here is a better look at all of it. I would like to mention that I am finger swatching these and I am not going over them at all. So one swipe to show how the pigmentation is without building it up. So that was the original Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Next, you guys have probably heard of this palette. It's the Athena palette by Bad Habits and you can get it at Shop Hush, the app. Here's the comparison. The size is about the same, if not exactly the same, but I will be swatching this for you guys, and yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I actually feel like the Bad Habit, the Athena palette, is more pigmented than the actual Desert Dusk palette, which in my opinion is a little sad because the Desert Dusk palette is $65 and this is only $10. Last but not least, I have the Beauty Blazed palette, the I Got You edition, and this is what it looks like. I will show you a comparison to the Desert Dusk palette as well. So here it is. Here is the Beauty Glazed swatches. From the top we have the Huda Beauty, then we have the Bad Habit, and then Beauty Glazed. Again from the top we have Huda Beauty, Bad Habit, and Beauty Glazed. And this will be the same for every swatch, starting from Huda Beauty to Bad Habit and Beauty Glazed. The Beauty Glazed on this one seems to be more gold instead of like a pinkish rose gold tone, but it's not going to be 100% accurate with every palette. Now, this is my favorite shade from the Huda Beauty palette. It's Twilight, and in my opinion, the Athena palette was spot on with that color. Again, the Beauty Glazed palette is one of the palettes that isn't as similar, but for the most part, most colors are, but here is another one that is not. Swatching these glitters, these two, the Huda Beauty is creamy, kind of, and then the Bad Habit palette is actually the creamiest glitter I've ever felt in my life, and when it comes to the Beauty Glazed, it is really rough and hard to apply or even swatch. Definitely between these shades, the Athena palette of Bad Habit definitely won out of this, and it is the most pigmented. and I am obsessed with this color. Like, I seriously love this color, and it applies so beautifully on the eyes, just thought I'd let you guys know. Last but not least, we have the last orange colors, which is the last colors of the palette, and again, I would have to say that Bad Habit won on this one. So out of all three of these palettes, I would have to actually go with the Athena palette. It's just so much creamier, and I actually think that's kind of depressing though, considering that the original is $65 and the Athena palette is only $10. The Beauty Glazed palette for about $5. You can actually even get this on the Wish app, or you could just find it on Beauty Glazed, but I've never felt a palette that is so creamy or this creamy before in my life, so I would definitely have to go with the Athena palette by Bad Habit. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed the Desert Dusk palette dupe. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.